Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you don't already know, my name is Ashley and welcome to my channel, Bremen Home. Today we are going to a $2 million home estate sale. It was actually moved off site, so we are going to go today. I've looked at some of the preview pictures and it actually looks really good, so I'm excited. Today's the opening day for it. I'm at Cody's office right now. We're going to switch into his truck and hopefully we find some good pieces, so I will take you guys along with me. You excited, Brielle? Let's go! All right, guys, so it is a few days later. The estate sale that we went to, I wasn't entirely impressed. I feel like the description on the estate sale, they really hyped it up, talking about this $2 million lake house, a total clear out. I just expected a little bit more, I guess. But I did find a couple things. I'll show you the things that I found. First thing that I found was this aged stone sailboat. I thought that was really cool. Displaying it on bookshelves or on top of books. I don't know, I thought it was a really cool piece and different, something that I don't really have in my shop. I also had found these trinkets. Trinkets and like little carved boxes actually do really well in my shop. So anytime I see a good deal on it or I can tell it's imported from a special place, then I make sure I snag them. So I have this one right here, which has beautiful floral detail, and I've never seen one that has like a lighter wood in the middle like that, so that's really neat. And then of course it opens up, which is nice. And then I also have this little baby trinket, which again has like these floral carvings on it with a little lid that you can take off and put jewelry in there, little odds and ends, whatever. Very cool to go again on a bookshelf or just on like your side table, something like that. I'm a sucker for carved wood, clearly, because I always gravitate towards it. We have this like hot plate that's carved with this floral design. I just thought it was so beautiful. And you don't exactly have to use it for a hot plate. You can put a vase on there, display it by itself, put it on your coffee table. I just thought that was really pretty, and again, those do pretty well in my shop. I love ornate. Anything ornate and gold, something just really draws me to it. So when I saw this mirror, I knew I had to have it. It's beautiful. It actually has a hook on the back so you could hang it right on the wall. I think that's going to do really well in the shop, and it's just beautiful. A good hallway mirror or just on a small wall or a gallery wall maybe. As I was walking through the place, they have about, I don't know, there was like 5 employees working, and I had noticed these big, beautiful sketches. They were like, I don't know, this big or so, pretty big. and there was cardboard on top, so all I could see was the head. And I was like, I wonder what these are, because I find like beautiful frames all the time. So if I found a beautiful sketch, I could just put it in one of the frames that I find. And so I take the cardboard off, and there's one of the estate sale employees standing right there, and it's just a full-on naked woman sketched out. I'm talking the whole thing. So I was like, oh, and then I was embarrassed because you have the employee standing right there. So I take the cardboard and I set it right back on top and I walk away. But yeah, not what I was expecting. This last piece probably wasn't like the best pick, but like I love the color and I think it'll do well. I'll put it at the right price, but it's this pottery that was made and it has this beautiful like green and blue hue to it. I love the details and like the scalloped edges. So I'm gonna clean it up a little bit better. I did a pretty good job. There was like dirt and everything all in it. Clearly they had a plan there, but I think it'll do well. And I don't know, I just love the coloring on it. Now the next two things I didn't get at the estate sale, but it was in the area, so I figured why not. They are these two marble end tables that were made in Italy. They are beautiful. I'll insert a video right here of them, and I just feel like it's the perfect little small end table by a side chair, or maybe at the end of the couch, or just an entryway on a small wall. So I really love them and I think they'll do well. I'm excited to show you guys the next estate sale that my mom and I go to. It's going to be the next video. We stopped at a couple antique shops as well, but the estate sale was such a hit. We got really good picks from there and I can't wait to show you guys. And we ended up going back to the estate sale in this video, and I was thinking about getting this taxidermy deer because I have this vision in our shop to almost create like, I don't know, this cozier like cabin-like vibe within the space. And I'm like, you know what, I should go back there when it's a heavy discounted day. And we went back there and I changed my mind when I was in there, and we left, went to an antique store, and I was like, you know what, we need to go back. I need to go get that deer. Went back there and it had already sold within like the 30 minutes of me changing my mind. So wasn't meant to be, clearly. I'm sure there'll be another one in a estate sale, but I'm excited for the next video to show you guys what we got. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye.